In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent duplicate responses in Google Forms. Now let's dive right into it and make sure you're making the most out of your Google Forms with accurate and reliable data collection. Imagine you've created this fantastic survey or questionnaire on Google Forms, and you want to ensure that each participant can submit only one response. This is a crucial step for maintaining data integrity, especially in scenarios like voting, registrations, or any event where duplicates might skew your results. Thankfully, Google Forms has a built-in feature to help with this, and today I'll walk you through how to use it. The first thing you need to do is open Google Forms. You can do this by going to your browser and searching for Google Forms or navigating directly via Google Drive where your forms are usually stored. Once you're in Google Forms, select the form you want to work on, or create a new one if you haven't already. Now, to prevent duplicate responses, you'll want to enable the option that requires responders to be signed in. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for a gear icon, which stands for Settings. Clicking this icon will open up the Settings menu for your form. Here, you'll notice several options appear. You'll want to focus on the General tab if it's not already selected. Under this tab, you will see an option called Collect Email Addresses. This is the key to ensuring each participant can only respond once using their email. By selecting this option, you're effectively preventing duplicate entries because it ties responses to a unique email identifier. Moreover, while you're in the Settings menu, you'll also see the option Limit to One Response. You'll want to enable this as well. As the name suggests, this feature limits each respondent to a single submission by requiring them to sign into a Google account. By enabling this, users are restricted from making multiple submissions because each login is unique. Make sure to click Save once you've made these changes in the settings. That ensures all your modifications are kept intact when your participants are accessing your form. And just like that, you've taken significant steps to prevent duplicates in your Google Forms responses. This is especially beneficial if you're dealing with important data sets where accuracy is paramount. Before wrapping up, a quick tip for added assurance. Always test your form with a dummy account. Ensure everything is working smoothly and the settings are correctly configured. That's it. By following these steps, you are ensuring that everyone who participates provides only one set of answers, making your data both accurate and actionable. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more tips on utilizing Google's suite of tools to their fullest extent. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.